You can create mind map from text using Visual Paradigm Smartboard. In your workspace, go to Smartboard. Press the Create New button. Select Mind Map, and start editing. Go to Outline. Edit the text content on the outline, and they will automatically update on the mind map. You can insert a sibling node by pressing Enter, and insert a child node with Tab. By selecting the corresponding content, we can control which layer the sibling nodes are belonged to. When you cannot find the node you are editing, select the text content can help you to move the corresponding node to the middle of the editor. You can enlarge the text editor by the button on top for clearer content readability. You can customize the node setting if needed, such as the node margin, and also change the theme of the mind map. When finished, export the mind map in the format that best suits your requirements.